We are looking at the function acosθ plus bsinθ. Okay, this expression arises in many practical problems. Okay, and it could be expressed in the form of sine or cosine. The function acosθ plus bsinθ in the form r sine theta plus alpha. Okay, so this is a function. The r is the maximum value. Is maximum value. Okay, the r is the maximum value or maximum displacement of the function, and then the alpha is an angle that we are to calculate. So must get the value of the r value, which is the maximum value, and we must get the angle also, the alpha. Okay. So the form the question will tell you. So in this format now, what can we do? It's very simple. This one will be there, a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to r. Can we do this one expansion of this? That's the addition formula. Sine theta cos alpha plus cos theta sine alpha. Okay. Then the next step to do is to open the bracket. That will be r sine theta cos alpha, then plus r cos theta sine alpha. This will be done. Then the next thing to do, I want to equate the coefficients of sine theta, the two sides of the equation, and the coefficient of what? Of cos theta. So let me try to rearrange. So which is equal to r cos alpha sine theta. Okay. Then plus r sine alpha cos theta. Okay. So equates coefficients of sine theta, and the coefficient of sine theta means the attachment, what attached to sine theta, and that is r cos alpha. That's what attached to sine theta, and that's what called the coefficient. Okay, plus b sin theta. So, and coefficient for the sine theta, that's b, got to b, equation 1. Also, do likewise for the coefficient of what? Coefficient of cos theta. Equate the coefficient of cos theta. Okay, cos theta, the attachment to that of cos theta is what? Is this r sine alpha, and that's equal to what? Cos theta, attachment to that is what? Is a. That's 2. And when you are doing it, you must be, this angle here must be the same thing here. Okay, if this is cos theta, the next one automatically will be sine of that angle. Then the next thing to do is to square both sides of the equation and add up. Square and add up. And that will be equal to r square cos square alpha plus r square sine square alpha equal to b square. Square this one, so add it up. So that's so factorize. If you factorize, then you have r squared into bracket cos square alpha plus sine square alpha, and this is what? This is 1. We said that in our previous video. That's b square plus a square. Then r is what? R is square root of what? B square plus a square. So once you get your r now, the next thing for you to do is to you can substitute your r into either this one or this one. Any of the two equations, you can make any of the two equations. You can make your substitutions for the values of r. Okay, and if you want to do that, you can also divide equation 2 by 1. equation 2 by 1, and that will be equal to r sine this equal to this equal to a over b. This will go. Then we have what? Sine over this is tan A over b. And then alpha will now become what? Arctan A over b. Okay? And once you've gotten your angle, you've gotten the maximum displacement, then the next thing for you to do is to go back to the original equation, okay, which is a cos theta plus b sine theta equal to what? Equal to r. Your maximum value is square root b squared plus a squared, and then sine theta, and then your angle is plus arctan a plus b. So that's that on this question. So the next thing we want to do now, we want to look at the practical questions, okay, and apply what we just said now. We apply all these procedures to those questions. Let's go straight to the question. Express 2 sine theta minus 3 cos theta in this form. Okay, I've told you they will always tell you the form they want. Also look at the second question. Express 2 cos 2 theta plus 4 sine 2 theta in the form of this. Okay, question 1. Question 1, we have 2 sine theta minus 3 cos theta equal to r sine theta minus this. This will be equal to, if you do the expansion, 2 sine theta minus 3 cos theta equal to, do this one and multiply by this. That will be because r, this will be sine theta cos alpha, then minus r also, cos what? Cos theta sine alpha. I've already multiplied by what? By the r. Okay, you can just follow what I said here. First of all, do the addition formula, and after that, I multiply by the maximum value. But here, I'm doing it straight away. Okay, then the next thing to do is to equate the coefficients. Equate the coefficient of sine theta. Okay, so that will be equal to r cos alpha equal to sine theta equal to 2. Equation 1. Then equate the coefficient of what? Of cos theta, which is what? Minus. Okay, we can decide, because what we have here is minus, is also minus, so we can decide to ignore that. Okay, but if you want to follow that will be equal to minus. There's no need, because this minus is already here. So no need to indicate the negative. Okay, they both cancel out. So that will be equal to r sine alpha equal to 3. Let me count. So equal to equation 2. So then square the two equations and add up. If you add up, you're going to have, this will be automatically become what? R squared, and this will be equal to what? 2 squared plus 3 squared, and that's 3 squared 9 plus 4, that's 13. So r is what? Square root of what? This. So that's the maximum value. Then we can get the angle. The angle will be equal to what? You can get your angle, which will be equation 2. Divide equation 2 by 1, and that will be equal to what? Tan alpha equal to 3 over 2. So alpha is what? Arctan 3 over 2. So you can punch your calculator and get the value for that. That's 56.31. 56.31 degree. So that's that on that question. Actually, the illustration here has already given us the detailed illustration. Okay. So the final thing to do now is for us to go back to the original equation, which is this, and make the substitutions. There. and that will be equal to 2 sine theta minus 3 cos theta equal to, my r is what, root 13 sine theta minus 56.31 degree. So that is that on that question 1. Okay, let's go to question 2. Let's go to question 2. Yeah, question 2. Express 2 cos 2 theta in the form r sine 2 theta plus alpha. Okay, so this is what we have there. So this is what we have. So that will be equal to 2 cos. So this will be equal to r in the brackets sine 2 theta and then cos alpha, then plus cos 2 theta sine alpha. So that's what we have there. That's what we have there. Then allow the, you know that equate the coefficient of what? The coefficient of, okay, let's open this. That'll be r sine 2 theta cos this, r cos 2 theta sine alpha. So begin to equate the coefficients of sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta. That will be r cos alpha. Sine 2 theta here is what? Is sine 2 theta here is 4. So equation 1. Okay. Also equate the coefficient of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is r sine this, and that's equal to cos 2 theta. That's equal to what? That's 2. That's 1. Okay. By the time you solve question, you observe that question like this always r cos the function. This one also sine the function. It's always like that. Okay. Then can you square and square the equations? Square and what? And add up. So that will be equal to r squared if you do that. And this will be equal to 4 squared plus 2 squared. 4 squared is 16 plus 4. That's 20. 16 plus 4, that's 20. So r is what? R is root 20, which is equal to 4 times 5. That's 2 root 5. That's 2 root 5. Okay? We've gotten that. Can we also get the angle? Divide 2 by 1. If you do that, you have what? Tan alpha equal to what? 2 over 4. So alpha is what? Arctan 1 over 2. Okay, arctan 1 over 2. Okay, I think that should be 30. Okay, let's check calculator. Check the calculator. So look here, 2 cos 2 theta. The coefficient of what is 3? Is 3. So I don't know why it's 3. Why I change the question? This is 3. This is 3 also. You can see it's 3 in the question. Okay, so the coefficient of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is what? Is 3. Okay, so that will be 4 squared plus 3 squared, and that will be 16 plus 9. That's 25. That's 25. Yeah, that's 25. And that's what? Root 25. So root 25, and that's 5 here. And this will be 3 over 4. This is 3 over 4. That's 3 over 4. Okay? And then arctan 3 over 4, that's 36. That's 36.887 degree. Okay? So that's that. And then finally, we just go to the original equation, 3 cos 2 theta plus 4 sine 2 theta equal to, my r is 5, and then sine 2 theta. My angle, my alpha is 36 0.87. That is 0.87 degree. So that's that on this question. Okay, there's nothing that's that on this question. What we just did in the form they told us, and then we expand this, which will be equal to sine 2 theta cos alpha plus cos 2 theta sine alpha. Just use addition formulae for this. Okay. Then allow the r to come in Then equate the coefficient of sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta, the coefficient is what? Is 4. And also equate the coefficient of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta, the coefficient is what? Is 3. Then square and add up. So that's what we have done in that question. Then the question say hence state the maximum value of this. So question like this, we have to speak back and say the maximum value, the maximum value of 3 cos 2 theta plus 4 sine 2 theta is what? Is 5. Okay, so that's that on this question. We'll take more questions in the next video. See on the function a cos theta plus b sin theta. Okay, please, if you are new on this channel, okay, please hit that notification bell so that as we upload, you get notified. Okay, and also try to inform your friends also to be partaker of this channel. Okay, thank you for doing that.